Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a rectangle by using Java, and of course we'll be using GUI. Right now we have a blank window, but we want to tell Java that we want to have a rectangle to appear inside of this window. I'll show you how to do it now, but first we have to import a library, and that will be import java.awt.graphics. After we get done importing this library, we have to create a method which is public void paint. It's a must that you have this paint named on your method right here. If you don't have paint as your name for this method, then this method will be basically pointless. So make sure you have this name paint for this method, or else it won't work. And also, for the inside of the parentheses, your argument will be graphics in the variable G. This right here is an object, so make sure you have this inside your argument for this method. And this object came from this library right here. Alright, so we got our variable G, so we're going to be using that. So I'll show you now. So right now we're going to make a rectangle. So type in g.draw rect. Alright, for now, or inside of this the parentheses, we gotta type in the location, and right in the first we gotta type the horizontal location. So that location will be 480 horizontally. And now let's do the y-axis position, and that will be also 480. And then now you have to type in the width of the rectangle, and that width will be 200. And after that we have to create a height for the rectangle, and the height will be 100, and have semicolon after that. Alright, so we're now done making or drawing a rectangle for now for this kind. And now in order to make that happening inside of this main method, you have to use the variable t from the object, and then draw or type in the method paint. And inside the argument, or inside the parentheses, make sure you type this as null, because we have nothing. Hold on, I think this, yeah, this has got to be lowercase. Yeah. Alright, well, the reason why we type in null for this is because that Java wants us to type in something for this, the G variable. But we don't have anything to type in, so we type in as null. And the reason why we don't have anything to type in is because that we already set the variable G draw rect, and the location and the size of the rectangle. So all this has already been inputted for this right here, so that's why we typed in null. Alright, so let's see what our triangle, or not triangle, our rectangle look like. Alright, so we got an outline of the rectangle, but what if we want something to be like a filled in rectangle? So I'll show you how to do it now. So instead of using draw rect, we type in fill rect, and we'll do the same thing like the location and all that. As you can see, there's an x-axis, the y-axis, width and height. It's even typed right here. Alright, for the position of on the x-axis, let's do 240. Same thing over here, 10 or not 1040, 240. The same size too. So this right here is be 200. Yeah, it'll be 100 as well. Okay, so let's see what's happening. All right, now we have two rectangles. We got one filled in and one is that is an outline. But what if we wanted to have a different color? I want to make this red and I want to make this blue. So let's make that happening. Let's make that happening as well. So we gotta import another library for the colors. So import java.awt.color, and that's about it for this one. In order to use color, we gotta type in the variable g as well and set color, and this color will be I forgot. I don't know which one's gonna be blue and red, so yeah, I'm gonna just make this as red. Don't remember what it said, what color for which is which. So yeah. Well, it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, let me do that. You can make this as any colors you want. It can be red, blue, silver, gray, etc. And for this is gonna be blue. Blue color dot or not dot color dot blue. All right, we got the different colors and yeah, we got everything. All right, well now we got a blue rectangle and a red outline rectangle. It's pretty neat, huh? We got we actually got something inside of this window, and that's pretty good. All right, well this concludes my tutorial over making a rectangle with Java. So stay tuned for my next tutorial, and thanks for watching.